Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to see who views your Instagram profile. So for this, you need to go to your profile, then you need to just switch your account personal to professional or create an account. So after that, you can see an option here as professional dashboard. So click on it, and in this account reached option you can see your uh, viewed followers or profiles here. So I don't have any viewer of on my profile, so that's why there is zero account reached, but you can see all of your viewers, profile viewers here. So that's it. This is how you can see profile viewers on your Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.